this is Tanya Rowling. I'm back with another video. Do watch my other videos as well. I would be teaching CBSE Class 10 Maths NCERT Syllabus and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths NCERT Syllabus. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Okay guys, now let's read the question. So the question is, write down the decimal expansions of those rational numbers in question 1 above which have terminating decimal expansions. So this is the question. So in this question they mentioned that whatever terminating decimal expansions we proved in question number 1, we should solve it and we should write down the decimal expansions of that rational number. Okay, so in question number 1 we found out lots of rational numbers, and in that rational numbers we just found out whether it is terminating or non-terminating. So we are going to be taking the terminating decimal expansion and we are going to be solving it. So as you guys remember, in the question number 1 we had 13 by 3125. So this is the question number 1. So we proved this as terminating expansion. Am I right? So what we are going to be writing is, we are going to be taking the denominator, that is 3125 is in the form. So we found certain numbers, right? Let me show that. So as you guys know, this is the question number 1. So here for 3125 we found the prime factorization. Am I right? So the prime factorization is 5 power 5 and this into 2 power 0 we wrote it because when we use this form we just wrote this one, that is 2 power 0. Okay, first let us take this 5 power 5. So do you guys remember this? So this one we did in the previous question. So in the previous question, after solving the prime factorization methods and all these things, we use this form, that is 2 power n and 5 power m. So in this form, after finding these things, that is the prime factorization method, we got 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So in exponent form, it is 5 power 5. Okay, so we are going to be taking this 5 power 5 because we got this as prime factorization method. So I am going to be writing 3125 is in the form 2 power 0 into 5 power 5. Am I right? So after doing the prime factorization method we got this. So now what I am going to do is, let me write 13 by 3125. So here I am going to be writing 13 as it is and divided by 5 power 5. So after finding the prime factorization we got 5 power 5. Am I right? So I wrote the 5 power 5. So do you guys remember the form, that is 2 power n and 5 power m. So in this we have 5 power 5. So into we shall write 2. Okay, 2. And you guys might ask, what about the power? So we are going to be taking this 5. Okay, why? Because here the power is 5 power 5. So the power is 5. So I am going to be taking 5 right over here and I am going to be taking the same form in up as well. Okay, so now it is 13 into 2 power 5 divided by 5 power 5 into 2 power 5. Okay, so here you guys can see, as you guys know, this is the after doing the prime factorization method we got 5 power 5 and by using this form we got 2 and we took this powers for this also, for 2 also we took. Now let us solve this. So as you guys know that 13 into 2 power 5 divided by 5 power 5 into 2 power 5. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to write 13 as it is into 2 power 5 as it is divided by, so instead of writing 5 power 5 into 2 power 5 we are going to be solving it. Okay, so here also we have 5, here also we have 5. So what we are going to do is, we are going to write 5 into 2 the whole square. So whole square, whole 5. Okay, whole 5. So 5 into 2 the whole 5. So we wrote it like this, because here also the power is 5, here also the power is 5. So we wrote this 5 and into 2 as it is, and instead of writing 5 power 5 and 2 power 5, I wrote 5 into 2 the whole 5. Okay, I wrote it like this. Now let us solve this. So now let us write. So when you just multiply these numbers, that is 13 into 2 power 5. So here let us write 13 into, so when you solve that, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So totally 2, we should write 2 5 times. So I wrote 2 5 times. So when we do multiplication, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so we get the answer, that is 32. So we got 32. Okay, so finally we got 32. So we are going to be writing 32 divided by, so here it is 5 2s are 10. So we shall write 10. So 10 power 5. Am I right? So I wrote 10 power 5 is equal to, so 13 into 32. So 13 into 32 is 416 by, we are going to be writing this, that is 10 power 5. Okay, so let us write 10 power 5. So now let's write 416 by, we should write 0 5 times. Okay, so we shall write 1 like this, and 1 2 3 4 5. So totally we wrote 5 zeros. Okay, so is equal to, so as you guys can see, we have 416 by 1 lakh, that is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. So totally we have 416 by 1 lakh. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, we are going to be putting decimal point. Okay, so do you guys know how to put the decimal point? So what we are supposed to do is, here we have 5 zeros, right? So here we have 5 zeros, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5. What we are going to do is, we are going to write 416. We should put point after 5 numbers. So here we have 1 number, 2 number, 3, and we shall take 0 4 5, and then we shall put point. Okay, so we are supposed to put point, decimal point like this. Okay, how we take is, we take this 5 zeros. So totally we have 5 zeros. That means we are supposed to put decimal point after 5 numbers. Okay, so here it is 1 2 3 4 5. So after 5 numbers we should put decimal point, and here also you can write 0. Okay, so finally we got this answer. So this is the answer.
Pretty sure that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.